I'm Vince Toadell, and I'm the creator of this crash course. If you're watching this now, I'm quite sure your English is good. You've been memorizing vocabulary for years, you constantly work on grammar, you're always reading English books and magazines. So your English is good. But is it good enough to withstand the tricks of the IB's English B Paper 1 test? Let me tell you, the test can be tricky. With my crash course, you'll get 7 main tips and several little pointers that will help you fully understand the IB style of questions. At the beginning of each lesson, I'll start off with the tip. Then I'll move into a segment that actually shows me using the tip with IB style questions. And then we'll end each lesson with a review so that tip sticks in your head, and when you sit down to take the IB English B test, you will sit down with confidence. Let me repeat, your English is good and you deserve the highest possible grade you can get. Sign up for the crash course and let me help you reach your highest potential.